Guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to learn something on daily basis. And as you all are well known, like I have started a challenge for myself where I'm going to create or make a videos blog in spoken English till 100 days. And today is the 50 day of that particular challenge and I'm continuous on it, and let's see what is going to be happen. And I came here in the field side of my village. There are so many crops are growing nowadays, and the wheat crop is almost ready to harvest, and mustard crop is also almost ready to harvest, but I think the farmers are not getting time to harvest their crops because they are busy in some other activities. And the Holi is also near to come. As you all are well known, like Holi is on 3rd, and this is a pulse crop is which its name is Tur Pulse, and it's looking very beautiful, and the view of here is very amazing and mesmerizing and eye catching, and I'm feeling very motivated and energetic while I'm able to be in the field side of my village. And as you all are well known, like I have started storytelling on my channel, so on continuous that today also I want to narrate a story. Throughout of that story you all are able to learn something, and you all are able to get some deep message within that story. So stay tuned till the end, and definitely you are able to learn some vocabs, and you all are able to get some deep message within that story. So once upon a time there was a forest, and there was a lion living whose name is Keto, and he is in young age, and he's not that much rudy behavior wise, and whenever he get hungry then he do hunting for get some food. Otherwise he not doing hunting for enjoyment like things. And there was some hyenas are also living, so they used to make the they used to laugh on the Keto, like they they surround the Keto, and they started saying, see what a selfish lion is, and he's only thinking about himself, he's not thinking about any other life. He kills the animal of the forest, and whenever he want or need, he start killing the animals in the forest. So Keto starts defeating himself, like I'm not a cruel lion. I'm only do hunting or kill the animals when I'm feeling hungry, and likewise. So they all hyenas started laughing on the Keto, and he just he's trying to prove himself whatever they are saying. So he started proving himself, and they are getting very much energetic, and they started making so many kinds of rumors, like you are a very cruel person and person or animal, and likewise. And then Ketos become very nervous, and he started thinking, I'm not that kind of animal, but why they are still thinking like I'm cruel and I'm only thinking about myself. I'm not thinking about anyone, any other animal's life, and likewise. So he become nervous. He although he has some food to eat, but he never he not feeling like I need to eat, and he not eaten his food, and he in the evening he met with the old lion who is living in the forest, and is the one man of my village. He came from Delhi, and in the evening he met with the old lion of his family, and he started telling all the incident whatever happened with him, and like I'm not a bad animal, and I'm not killing the animals for my enjoyment. Whenever I'm feeling hungry, that time I'm only doing hunting or killing the animals to get rid from my hunger, and likewise. So that lion Remo, who is the old age, and he has a big face and bullied body. So he said, why you are defeating with them? If they want to give something to you, and you are not agree to take that things, then they are definitely going to lose and you are able to win. But if they are going to say something to you, and if you start arguing with them, then you are going to lose and they are able to win over you. So, and he said that tomorrow you need to come with me, and I'm going to face them. You need to see from some distance. And next day they both goes in the place where hyenas living, and the lion sleep under the tree, and hyenas came. They started making rumors around the lion. See this old lion, he is very lazy, he don't want to do anything, he's depend on the others lion on his family, like. And that lion stayed calm, and even he's acting like he's not able to listen them. So they lose energy and they are become nervous, and some of them started trying again and again, but he never react with them. So they lose, and they go from there. And when Tito met with Remo, and he asked they said so many things for you, and why you never react. So Remo said that's why they are not able to be happy, and are you see their face while I'm not reacting with them. They said so many things for me, and I'm not reacted with them. So are you able to see their faces? They are seems like very nervous. So likewise, so there are so many people who are going to make the rumors for you, and they are trying to criticize you. But if you are not going to react with them, so they are going to lose and you are able to run. So I think you are able to get the message from this story, and also you are able to learn some vocabs and phrases and sentence. If you are feeling like my blogs are helpful in your journey, so please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need these kind of content. That's it for today. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. and thank you so much for being with me on this journey.